Welcome to Big Glow Skincare, naturals and organic. So if you're so particular about your skin, you want to know the right product to use, or probably you are a skincare formulator, or you want to dive into skincare business, then this is a channel for you, because in this channel I talk a whole lot about skincare DIY, and I also talk about how you can build your skincare business. So today I will be talking to us about why our product that we buy sometimes does not work on our skin. I don't know if you've experienced that before. Probably a friend of yours recommended a cream for you, and then you say, okay, fine, let me try it. You discover that if it lightens your friends, it's not lightening your skin. And you're asking yourself, probably is the skin type or the product is not good for you. No, the product is actually good for you, but the problem is how you apply that product. So today I will be showing you how you can have an effective cream. You know how your cream can work effectively on your body, on your skin. So when you go to the store or or someone recommends a cream for you, the first thing that you need to do is first check the ingredients in that cream. Now there's something that we call citric acid. Citric acid, most times or all the time, select the kind of skin that it works faster on. All right, so let's say for instance you got a cream for yourself and you tried it like a week and you are getting more darker instead of lighting up. Just check the back of the cream. If it has citric acid, then you know that you are not applying the cream properly. So now is how can you apply your product properly that you get the result that you're looking for, right? So the first thing that you need to do before you navigate into another new product, first you have to give your skin 2 weeks rest. Your skin needs to rest for 2 weeks. 2 good weeks, your skin needs to rest. Don't just jump into using another cream. There are precautions when you do that. 2 things will happen to your skin. Number one, if you jump into a cream, into using the product without waiting for 2 weeks, number one, you'll discover that your skin will get darker immediately. It will get darker. Number two, there's every tendency that you'll find out green veins, stretch marks on your skin. It's not that the product is not good. The problem is you just jumped into the product. You need to give your skin 2 weeks rest. That is if you want to change, if you want to lighten up, you want to achieve another shade of your skin, you need to give your skin 2 weeks rest. Why? So that your skin can rejuvenate, so your skin can, the pH level of your skin can balance. Then you can now use another product for that 2 weeks. Now another thing again that makes your product not to work for you is before you navigate into a next cream, try and use body oil. The period while you are waiting to navigate into using another product, right? Use a body oil. Use a body oil for that 2 weeks. Now the body oil will do to your skin is it will go to your skin and open the pores of your skin and heal things that has been probably part of your skin that have been damaged, or part of the skin that needs nourishment. The oil will provide that for you. So the oil will serve like a foundation for your skin. Then whatever product that you are bringing in, it will absorb it and give you what you're looking for. Now if you're a dark person and you want to try another dark product, another product that can darken you or to just maintain your color, and you don't want to get lighting, now this is what you do. If a friend recommends a cream, or you personally likes a cream and you want to change, you want to try it out on your skin, if you check the back, the ingredients of that product, and you discover there's no lightening agent in it, fine, what you do, you use shea butter. Now you get a shea butter, melt it. When you melt the shea butter, you mix it with the cream. You mix it with the cream, and then you can use it for a dark person. And then maybe you're a dark person and you're trying to achieve a caramel skin color. That's when you have to use the oil that I have mentioned. I have series of oil. Probably I'm going to link it in my description box below, so you can just sort yourself out and try any of them. But trust me, they are nice products. Now, thirdly, when you are navigating into a new product, you want to try a new product, consider your soap. Consider your soap. If, for instance, you're using a lightening soap and you want to navigate towards another product, and that product is supposed to lighten you, stop that soap. Get a soap that is not lightening. Now, the reason is that most times when you use a lightening soap and another lightening soap together, they cause skin damage. Sometimes instead of you to get light, you get darker. So because you are changing your product, change the soap. Look for a mild soap that is not lightening. A glycerin soap, precisely, I will recommend purely glycerin soap. Use a glycerin soap. It will help you achieve the color that you are looking for. Now, this is the last point that I want to say. When you want to navigate into a new product, please don't use tube. Don't use tube. Tube is a no-go area. Tubes will destroy your skin. Anybody that wants to advise you to use tube to get a faster result, trust me, in 2 weeks, 1 month, 3 months, you might like it, but 6 months, you won't like your skin. You will not like your skin. So please be guided. I hope you found this video informative and educative. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more skincare tips. And this is your girl, Big Glow. She's the CEO. As you can see, I'm popping. I'm using my products. In case you don't know, I make skincare products. I make skincare body lotion. I make perfume. I also make hair products, and I also make soap. So if you want to patronize me, so please, not if you want to, please patronize me so that you can glow like this. See how I'm glowing. I'm in my office, so see how I'm glowing. Queen, no blemishes, no dark cycles. See. Don't you want to look like this? Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video.